So far today, just read 20 pages of Discipline is Destiny. I listened to David Goggins' new book for a couple hours while unpacking. Me and Lara are gonna look at our budget, what we spent in December, and then, get organized, get prepared. I mean, especially first Monday of the new year, I just wanna be super organized, get organized with my goals, get organized with my expenses, of how much money I have, where I need to, I'm about to make a big purchase, right? And I just need to make sure like everything's dialed in, but completely understand where all the money's going, and just enjoying some peace. Because there's one of the downsides of dojo was that there's a lot of people all around all the time, which is one of the upsides also, but like you don't have a lot of just silence where you can work, and I really prefer that, which Laura is at a cafe right now, so clearly that's more for me in that sense. But we've got some silence here, had just a peaceful, solid start to the day, getting squared away. Sven, you want to go through your setup over here now?
Yeah, this is my super professional desk hack.
Yeah.
So this is a little tray out of the kitchen, and then I flipped the cabinet upside down, so we have some space up there to slide it in, and now we can work semi-professionally.
Yep.
Exactly.
It's actually kind of surprising that they have ovens. Tuesday morning. Just worked for a few hours. It is now 11:05, and I'm gonna go pick up Laura from her gym. What you got there?
A pineapple.
You were just like sitting there like this. So after a hardcore afternoon of laying in the sun and reading, it's time to go to the gym. I'll leave these two to work and go work out. So Sven and I came to the beach to surf, and it is not really that practical. Well, I mean, there's some people out there. There's some beginners. I think it's like the people that came to Bali to surf, and they're just like, we're gonna be out there anyways. But it's super windy today, so it's kind of killing the waves. I'll get a beer. Trying to go get our photos for our extension, and it's just completely downpouring.
Good morning. It's a wonderful day.
Been waiting now for an hour and 40 minutes. Show everybody your ticket.
No.
Show your ticket. Show your ticket. We want to see it.
Nobody wants.
Yeah. Yeah. This is what it's supposed to look like.
I grabbed my apple.
As we're waiting to go get our photos taken, and we're after almost 2 hours of waiting, Lara asked where her ticket is, and I had just handed it to her like 5 minutes before, and then she, for some reason, decided that it was worthless, and the ticket that she needs to give them to take her pictures. And what happened? What happened? No, you eat.
No. We wait. We're polite.
I'm waiting for mine.
I wanna see how it looks.
You never had
German for snail.
Die Schnecke ist sehr gut.
Yeah. Another day in Bali. And now it's 9 a.m. About to go hit the gym quickly before we go to Ubud and go to see the rice fields and to go to some day club up there. But first, gym. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and look out for future videos as a digital nomad traveling around the world, and I'll be sharing tips and tricks about what to do when traveling remotely or traveling and working remotely. Now let's get back to the video. Look at this. Oh my God, welcome to the rice fields.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, nomads, welcome to the rice fields. What's up, you guys?
Welcome to our channel.
I know, me and Dan out here, we're the real rice field kings. And Lara is getting really excited about the swing.
Yeah, actually, why not?
I want to go to the swing, but I don't have cash.
Okay. Very nice here. Right now, just walking through. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello.
Look at how cool that bed is with in the pool, and I got all the food there.
Yeah, it's in the pool, actually.
I'm better on the other side, other side.
It's literally so uncomfortable to walk on the side of the road here because everybody's moving so fast and aggressively. But we're doing it, okay? We're doing it.
I never came to Canada.
Yes, man. Let's go. Yeah, let's get this yoga life. Stayed at the Comic Cafe. It was actually very good. The chicken Caesar salad there. They've got a margarita special, taco special. We'll definitely be back. So just got back. Got a little bit of a sunset here.
Yeah.
Going to unpack and make some dinner, right?
Okay.
Yeah.